Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the movie guide here with this video news story, and as always, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So not only do we have the new name coming this summer for Max becoming HBO Max again, now we have Max ramps up password sharing crackdown. What to know? So this is coming. If you haven't seen anything about this yet, you will soon. During Warner Bros. Discovery Quarter 1 report, executives at the company explain how they have already begun to roll out their password sharing crackdown and the initiatives they will take to ramp up the process. It's going to increase and really be a 12 to 18 month initiative as it rolls out to more subscriber cohorts here in the US and globalizes later in the year and into 26, and as the messaging on the password sharing gets more assertive over the course of the back half of the year, WB head of streaming JB Perrette said during the earnings call per deadline. So it will ramp up here. You're going to see more about this. Now Netflix has been doing this. This is not a new thing in the industry, but Max is now getting on board with this. Now we heard the new name, HBO Max, will be arriving this summer. Now this has been in the works for a little while now. There has been talk about this over the last few months. Last month they did the soft rollout now of the additional user for $8 per month. So that is an option you have now. If you're password sharing, that person can add their profile separately to the account and pay the $8 per month. We'll take a look at that here shortly on the Max site for information on how that is, how that works, and what you get for that. Now, extra member add-on, and profile transfer are two key Max advancements designed to help viewers with a new way to enjoy our best-in-class content at an exceptional value and offer subscribers great flexibility in managing their accounts, Perrette said. So, you know, this is a moneymaker, of course, for $8 a month. They want to get as much revenue as possible, just like Netflix has been doing. They see all these extra users on here. This is revenue they want to grab, and they're going to do it now. So Max and HBO Max here soon, over the next few months, when the name changes, will be more aggressive and assertive with this. So you will not be able to share your password like you were doing at one point, as they want to get these members now to pay, or these users now to make this additional revenue. This can really add up to a lot of extra revenue for them. They're seeing this as lost revenue, and as a business it makes sense. As a user, it may not make as much sense, of course, but as the business side of things go, you can understand that, I guess, right? So let's go look at the site here real quick. Now, Max Help Center has extra member on Max, extra members on Max. We'll link this down below as well if you want to check this out, the information on this. So they're telling you here things to know. Extra member add-on is available to Max subscribers billed through Warner Media that are not part of the Disney Plus Hulu Max bundle. The add-on is not available to subscribers billed through third-party providers, e.g. app stores and internet, mobile, and TV providers. So it has to be straight through Warner Media, just so you know. Account owners pay $7.99 a month plus taxes if they apply for the extra member add-on. Account owners invite an extra member to share their subscription plan with them. Extra members have their own account, password, and profile. Extra members need to be 18 years or older and be in the same country where the subscription owners signed up for Max. So what are the extra member benefits? There they are. Of course, you get the same thing. You get streamed from anywhere that Max is available. They don't need to live with the account owner, which is good because a lot of people do not live in the same household that they were sharing the password with. So that's good to see. Of course, that makes sense to do that as well. Stream on any supported devices, one device at a time. Have their own account, password, and one profile. Enjoy the same plan features as the account owner. If the owner has premium plan, the extra member can enjoy 4K Ultra HD video quality on select devices, so select titles. So that's good to see. So we'll link this down below if you want to check into this as well. So would you be paying the extra money for the additional user, additional $7.99? Do you think this is going to make you not use Max going forward, or HBO Max now we'll call it? Now this was written right before the name change yesterday. This is a pretty recent news story here from May 12th, so just a few days before the announcement, which was yesterday, about the name change. And check out that video on our channel. We did that yesterday, so if you're not in tune with that, what's going on, check that video out as well. We'll have it at the end of this one, linked at the end of this video as well. So what are your thoughts on this? Put your comments down below. Will you pay the extra money for the additional user? Maybe, maybe not. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops on CFL Tech. Hopefully you found this helpful and enjoyable. Freddy Tech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.